All right, in this video, we are going to be solving some logarithmic equations, and this is our level 1 most basic of logarithmic equations. We're just going to introduce it, start off nice and easy here as we're moving forward. Make sure we at least understand the general concepts of this. So let's just start off by remembering how to solve a problem like 3 to the x equals 50. This is an exponential equation, and the reason we call it an exponential equation is because we can see we have this variable up here in the exponent. All right, the variable in the exponent, well, how do we get it out of the exponent? We know that we need to use logs. So at this step, we would take log base 3 of each side. All right, so after we do log base 3 of each side, we then are left with just x equals log base 3 of 50, and that would be our final answer. All right, now let's look at it the other way. What if we get this problem now log base 4 of x equals 3? Well, what am I doing here with this 4? I want to undo this log base 4 of x. Well, again, going back here, we remembered the reason we took this log base 3 of each side is because 3 to the power of x and log base 3 of x are inverses. So we're going to do the same exact thing here. If I have log base 4 of x equals 3, at this step, I'm going to do 4 to the power of each side. That is the inverse of log base 4. So 4 to the power of each side. That's going to undo that log base 4 on the left side. So 4 to the power of log base 4 of x equals 4 to the power of 3. On the left side, because these are inverses, we are left with just x equals 4 cubed, so x equals 64. All right, so it's just important for us to understand that whenever we have log base b of a variable and we want to isolate that variable, do b to the power of each side. So let's take a look at one more quick example. Let's say we have log base 5 of x plus 6 minus 4 equals -2, and we want to solve for x here. Well, I'm going to start off by adding 4 to each side. So adding 4, I get log base 5 of x plus 6 equals 2. Now at this step, I need to do 5 to the power of each side. So 5 to the power of each side. On the left side, that is going to cancel out. Okay, so on the left side, I'm now left with just x plus 6. On the right side, I have 5 squared. And then I'll just subtract the 6 over. So 5 squared minus 6. This one, fortunately, is easy enough for us to solve. Well, 5 squared is 25 minus 6 gives us 19. All right, so if we were to plug that back in, let's just check and make sure that that would work. So I've got log base 5 of 19 plus 6 is 25 minus 4. Well, 5 to what power is 25? That's 2. And 2 minus 4 does indeed give me a -2. So I'm feeling good about my solution. My solution is definitely correct. All right, hope this helps you guys out. Best of luck.